When it comes to protecting and maintaining critical liveline equipment and PPE, companies have come to rely on Polywater. Their range of cleaners are specially formulated to maximize the life of equipment materials such as rubber, gel coatings, and fiberglass, keeping workers safe and companies compliant with standards and regulations. Polywater Type RBG works well as a daily cleanser of EPDM and natural rubber insulating PPE. It safely removes difficult grime like grease, hydraulic fluids, and carbon off jumper cables, linemen's gloves, but also insulating blankets and sleeves and other equipment. Polywater Type S1 wipes are designed to quickly clean and treat hot sticks prior to use as part of preventative maintenance and inspection. In the field, the effective yet gentle formulation removes contaminants that contribute to tracking hazards, but quickly evaporates and leaves behind a protective silicone coating. Equipment is not only clean, but water repellent during inclement weather. The S1 wipe can also be used on other fiberglass tools and equipment on the truck. Polywater Boom pre-wash wipes are an essential part of boom truck cleaning practices. Prior to washing the truck, it's used to remove difficult contaminants from insulated surfaces of dielectric fiberglass-coated boom arms and buckets to prevent tracking hazards. Once the pre-wash solution is completely rinsed off with water, Polywater fiberglass wax and buff kit is then used to protect gel coat surfaces. The Carnauba-based wax formula restores the surface luster of insulated fiberglass and helps protect the gel coat from degradation between cleanings or testing. A versatile cleaner to have along for the ride is Polywater Grime Away wipes. They quickly, effectively, and safely remove heavy-duty soiling from tools and hands that carry them. Its unique water-based formulation is gentle on skin, as well as rubber-insulated PPE. With Polywater cleaning solutions on board and as part of the team, companies can proceed with confidence, knowing that they are compliant and that their field workers are safe. Join the growing list of companies that protect and maintain their critical live line equipment and PPE with cleaning solutions from Polywater.